Good evening, Philippines, and welcome back to our weather analysis for this weekend of Sunday until Tuesday, April 2 to 4, 2023. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 and now College Foundation Typhoon Preparedness Center. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat, which we issued yesterday, Saturday, April 1st until Monday, April 3. And we can see here that the easterlies is once again affecting the Bicol region, Eastern Visayas, and over at Mindanao, Southern Palawan, including the offshore areas of Bangsamoro, we have the surface trough, bringing some rain showers and thunderstorms becoming more frequent in the afternoon or evening. So watch out for possible flooding and landslides when we have a severe thunderstorms occurring at your areas. Out here and up here over extreme northern Luzon, we have a departing frontal system which no longer affects the extreme northern parts of Luzon, and so far that's the latest from our GovSat. No LPAs or tropical cyclone expected for the next 3 days. And if you take a look at the fast animation, you can clearly see here the developing thunderstorms over Zamboanga Peninsula in Mindanao. And here's the zoom in satellite animation mula from windy.com, courtesy of or taken from the UMETSAT satellite server. We have here the localized thunderstorms at this evening affecting Zamboanga and some portions of Lanao provinces, Misamis Occidental, and also across the western sections of Soxgen. And if we take a look at the latest pressure and wind forecast for the next 3 days, by tomorrow afternoon, Monday, April 3, we have light easterly winds affecting extreme northern Luzon and light northeasterly winds over the Bicol region and eastern Visayas, becoming variable or calm to variable winds all across the archipelago. We have here a very strong frontal system forming to the southeast of Okinawa, moving away towards the east. And on Tuesday, April 4th, we have the light northeasterly surface wind flow affecting eastern Luzon, Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and northeastern Mindanao, becoming easterlies over Cagayan, over the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. And the frontal system is beginning to pick up towards the east. We have here a frontal system. We have here a developing surface trough affecting Palau up to the southern portions of southern Marianas. And on Wednesday afternoon, the light easterly to northeasterly winds will be expected over the Bicol region, eastern Luzon, and also across Visayas and portions of Maymacopa, becoming calm to variable winds in all parts of the Philippine Islands. We have here southeasterly winds affecting Batanes and Babuyan Cubao Islands. So far, nothing serious when it comes to the weather situation. The temperature will continue to increase, and the heat index will hit as high as 50 degrees in some areas of the archipelago. We have here a broad surface trough beginning east of Marianas down here towards the southern portions of Palau, which will bring some on and off rain showers and thunderstorms over that area. And if we take a look at the rainfall forecast accumulation for the next 3 days until Wednesday, most of the rainfall will be concentrated across southern Mindanao, and that includes offshore areas of Bangsamoro, Zamboanga Peninsula, and also we have some isolated rain showers across eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, eastern sections of northern Quezon, and the mountainous areas of Mindoro, particularly Mount Halcon. So there you go. That's the rainfall forecast accumulation for the next 3 days across the Philippine Islands. So far, so good for the next 3 days through the through the Holy Week. Through the weekend of Holy Week, we are expecting good weather in various sections of the country, except for Mindanao, where isolated rain showers and thunderstorms or localized thunderstorms will be expected due to the surface trough. Again, we will be returning back in the next couple of days. This is Mike Padua saying good night to all. May you have a solemn Holy Week ahead, and thank you so much for watching our channel.